I am really excited to connect with each and every one of you. I wanted to talk to you today about wounds and scars and the difference between the two and how important it is to know the difference between the two. And I know in my own life, sometimes I forget, but I was reminded this past week of the importance of knowing the difference between the two. And I know that in life, we get wounded. You know, when sin happens in the world, when somebody does something to us and it really hurts and it wounds us, it hurts us emotionally, or if we fall down and we get a cut on our arm or we break a leg or we do something, we have a wound and it hurts. You'd agree that it hurts. I agree, it hurts. But what's the difference between that wound and a scar? Well, a scar is a wound that is healed. And so if you ever cut your finger or, cut the skin and, it's bleeding and then it starts to get a scab, right? Your body wants to heal itself. So spiritually speaking and emotionally speaking, when we have a wound that has happened to us, if we take the scab and we start picking at it all the time and we start looking back at it and we just meditate on the hurt and the wound all the time, it will never heal. A lot of times it's just there and it's just going to keep hurting us. But what does God want to do? What did He do when He brought Jesus here to the earth? What did He do? He was wounded for our transgressions, right? In Psalms 147, it says, He heals the brokenhearted and He binds up their wounds. And so again, a scar is a wound that's healed. So if you have a scar on your skin or on your wrist, somewhere, anywhere, and you put your finger on it and you rub it, you're reminded, you see it there. Like when you get stitches, you see it there, but when you put your hand over it, it doesn't hurt as bad. You recognize that it was there and that it happened, but guess what? It doesn't hurt. When Jesus comes into your life and there are things that He wants to heal, allow Him to heal those things, and then you'll have a scar. So I've heard it said that you need to share your scars with people so that they can take the experience that you went through and move forward in life. Again, don't live in the wound. Recognize it, see the scar, but know that God has come here to help heal those wounds and make them scars, and you can wear those proud.